I was expecting Spiker Gate to shoot me one day and kill me.
Oh, please wait. Sorry, 100 Courtroom and everybody do something on.
Yeah, you better get part of the motor.
Gabriel Caldwell here, 25 CR 111.
Not yet.
You've got the state jail felony tampering with an electronic GPS device. Then this prior conviction out of Cooper County in 2016 for attempted to commit assault, a second degree felony. And after that was final, it is committed the offense of attempted burglary and were convicted of that in this criminal district court in 2022 in February. Also, after, and you were also convicted in the 163rd District Court of Orange County of burglary of habitation in September of 2022. And that was for an offense after that attempt to commit assault out of Cooper County was final. So you've got 3 prior convictions, 2 of which are subsequent to an early one of the attempted to commit assault. Am I correct? And this is a state jail felony punished as though it were a second degree felony, right? So it's up to 20 years in prison, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's correct.
All right. What are we gonna do on that?
Plea, Your Honor.
I think we're working
Doing
it out.
it right now? Oh,
Yeah, we had, let's put a little semi-extra negotiation.
Where? He's
I've
got to sign up.
I've-
All right. It might be a second.
So
so,
we can just sit down in the jury box.
and what did you say about Michael Johnson? What was gonna do on Michael? Have a seat there, Mr. Caldwell. Thank you.
Yeah, Johnson is the one that,
We're gonna have a hearing if I can get it together.
hearing.
Okay, that's gonna be set for a hearing.
Yes.
Okay, here. I get that. And then let's take care of Mr. Caldwell. Thank you. Anything else on this docket? Anybody?
Judge, also we need to, deal with Shannon Ardwan.
Oh, yeah.
John is sitting, counsel with him.
Okay.
Yeah, you see my protest here Friday? Yeah. Yeah, that's my 3rd protest since I've been here.
Right today. Well, they're pretty peaceful, but I tried to read the story. Did you try to read the story?
Oh, I know what the story is, and he pretty much admitted to the prostitution. That's what it gets every day.
It just had a hard time reading.
It's very small.
Really small, yeah.
Right now, below my office. I'm like, hey. Check this dude, let me go down there and talk to him. Let's go.
I hate to first you're going, but standing down and have a.
Y'all ready? John?
Right, we're ready, I think, Ms. Gaffney's not hers up right now.
Huh?
We're ready.
Tell him to come in front of me, please.
Federal charges,
That's all right.
it's got charges Louisiana, but something. I was expecting Spiker Gate to shoot me one day and kill me.
Oh, please wait. Sorry, 100 Courtroom and everybody do something on.
Yeah, you better get part of the motor.
Your right hand, right?
Thank you. One more time. And right there. Stand right there.
They're out.
You were Gabriel Cole, correct?
Yes.
In 25 CR 1111. You are here with Mr. West, your attorney, and the state's attorney. Does the defendant waive a formal reading of this indictment and arraignment? Can we proceed in summary?
Yes, Your Honor.
What are we got all these, we got one substantive new case, 3 priors. What are we doing? Summary.
We're gonna be doing 4 years, Your Honor, so I guess we need the priors to be listed because to make it the secondary.
That's correct, Your Honor.
We at least, I guess, need 2 of the priors. We don't need all 3.
The little downstairs protest being supposed to. It's Friday, and you'll go, they said we would just take one back. And they have. Their hand, they had t-shirts on, free months.
Okay, 1, 2, and 3.
That's what, yeah.
All right, in summary,
Yeah.
and you are Gabriel Christian Cole
Yes.
here with John West, your attorney and the state's attorney, and he's waiving a formal reading of this indictment. We are going to proceed in summary.
Yes, Your Honor, please.
In summary, sir, this indictment alleges that on or about July 20th, 2025, in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the state jail felony of tampering with an electronic monitoring device. Was a GPS device that you had. Is that true?
Yes.
Do you understand what you're charged with here?
Yes.
A state jail felony generally carries with it no less than 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail, and a fine up to $10,000 can be assessed. Do you understand?
Yes.
However, what we have in paragraphs 2 and 3 are prior convictions in sequence. Paragraph 2 alleges of this indictment that on or about November 22nd, 2016, in the 18th Judicial Circuit Court of Cooper County, Missouri, you were convicted of the felony of attempt to commit assault, a second-degree felony. In that case, do you understand what is charged here?
Yes.
And in paragraph 3, this indictment goes on to allege that after that conviction of attempt to commit assault out of Cooper County, Missouri was final, you committed a felony of attempted burglary of a building and were finally convicted of that on February 22nd, 2022 in this criminal district court of Jefferson County, Texas, in cause number 21-36371. Do you understand what you're charged with in paragraph 3?
Yes.
Okay, so paragraphs 1, 2, and 3, if found guilty in paragraph 1 and true in paragraphs 2 and 3 to these allegations, you are looking at a state jail felony punished as though it were a second-degree felony, which carries with it no less than 2 nor more than 20 years confinement in prison, and a fine up to $10,000 can be assessed. Do you understand?
Yes.
An agreement's been reached in your case where you would be pleading guilty to paragraph 1 and true to paragraphs 2 and 3 of the indictment and sentenced to 4 years in prison. Is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal of your cases. Do you understand?
Yes.
You touch the pad and I don't have to explain to everybody knows. It's when are we going to get new pads?
From my understanding, Judge, they've been ordered, but that's the extent of
It's on the way.
how I'm involved
It's
with
in the
that
mail.
process.
Checks in the mail, exactly.
I show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1, sir. Did you sign that document
Yes.
voluntarily? Understand it? Discuss it with your attorney, or the contents all true and correct?
Yes.
State's Exhibit 1 tendered into evidence.
No objection.
Without objection admitted. Among other things, this states you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea and pleas of true to this indictment as agreed upon by you and the state. You are giving up your rights to a jury trial, the rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses. You totally are satisfied with the representation provided by your attorney, and you understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading guilty and true, and you know completely what you're charged with here. Is all of this true and correct?
Yes.
State's Exhibit 1 is made a part of the record for all purposes. Pre-sentence report is going to be waived here.
Yes, please.
How do you plead to this paragraph 1 of this indictment alleging the state jail felony of tampering with electronic monitoring device? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty voluntarily and because you are guilty?
Yes.
Paragraphs 2 and 3, which allege prior convictions that we talked about. Paragraph 2, attempt to commit assault, second-degree felony conviction out of the 18th Judicial District Circuit Court of Cooper County, Texas in 2016. Is that true and correct as it is alleged?
Yes.
And are you pleading true and correct to that right now voluntarily, knowingly, intelligently, and because it is true?
Yes.
Paragraph 3, which alleges after that 2016 conviction of attempt to commit assault in the 18th Judicial Circuit Court of Cooper County, Missouri was final. This goes on to state that you committed the felony of attempted burglary of a habitation and were convicted you were convicted of that in this criminal district court on February 22nd, 2022, cause number 21-36371. Is that allegation true and correct as it is alleged?
Yes.
And are you pleading true and correct to this voluntarily? And because it is true?
Yes.
All right. Again, State's Exhibit 1 is made a part of the record for all purposes. Pre-sentence report is hereby waived. I'm going to follow all of this. Mr. Caldwell, anything you want to add?
No, sir.
If not, I'm going to find you pleading guilty to paragraph 1, charging you with the state jail felony of tampering with electronic monitoring device voluntarily, knowingly, intelligently. And you are also pleading true to allegations 2 and 3 of those prior convictions, which make this a state jail felony, punished though as it were a second degree felony because of the prior convictions being committed and convicted in a sequence. That is, you committed the offense in paragraph 2 in 2016 of the attempt to commit assault and were convicted of that in Cooper County, Missouri. Thereafter, that was final. You committed the offense of attempted burglary of a habitation here in Jefferson County and were found guilty of that in 2022. And after that was final, you commit this offense on or about July 20th, 2025, which makes a state jail felony, though punished with an enhanced punishment as a second degree felony. You are pleading guilty and true to paragraphs 1, 2, and 3, respectively, of this indictment voluntarily, knowingly, intelligently. There's sufficient evidence supporting your guilty plea from state and plea of true from State's Exhibit 1 admitted here to support your guilty plea to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. I now find you guilty of this state jail felony, punished as though it were a second degree felony. As I find it, you guilty, and it is true to paragraphs 1, 2, and 3. That is found beyond a reasonable doubt. I am sentencing you under disagreement. You are hereby found guilty and sentenced to confinement in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice to serve a term of 4 years. You will, of course, be given credit for all time you have served in connection with this. Do you understand what has happened today, sir?
Yes.
Anything else to add, John? State? If not, we are in recess. Good luck to you.